Busy for electronics retail. In this presentation, we'll discuss about implementing Busy in retail electronics business. That is, we'll discuss the set of features that Busy offers for retail electronics business and how you can implement those features in Busy. Basically, this is a part of our trade specific videos in which in each video we pick out a certain particular trade and discuss how in this trade scenario Busy can be used and what all features Busy offers for such trades. First of all, we'll go to Administration, Configuration, Features options. Here you can see a trade specific configuration button is appearing. Click this button. On clicking this button, you need to select the trade type. Here we'll select the trade type as electronics retail. On selecting the trade type, you can see on the screen a list of features is busy showing. Basically, these features are enabled by default when you'll select this type of trade. So first feature is enable serial number, that is serial number feature is enabled, then further serial number warranty, serial number description lines, maintain MRP. So this is a set of features that Busy is enabling by default. If you do not want any particular feature, then you can disable that feature also. Then is salesman broker wise reporting, that is if you want salesman broker wise reporting or not. We have set the decimal quantity places to 0. We have enabled the pause in the sales series, enabled auto rounding off of final amount, and we have also enabled the item wise discount option. So this is a list of features that are enabled by default on selecting the trade type as electronics retail. If you do not want any particular feature, then you can disable that particular feature. All these features are important for retail electronic business, like serial number wise maintenance is important. If you are providing incentives to your salesman or commission, then you will need the salesman broker wise reporting feature. Now click the save button to save this configuration. Once we have saved this configuration, our first step would be to create the salesman master. If you deal with salesman's broker, like you provide commission, or you have your salesman for whom you want to set the targets and later on provide incentive, then you can use the salesman broker wise feature. We'll go to administration, master, salesman, add option, and we'll create a new salesman master. On clicking the add button, an add salesman master window will appear, where we'll first specify the name of the salesman, then alias, print name, address of the salesman, his telephone number, mobile number, email ID of the salesman, and then we'll specify the salesman account to be credited. Here we are selecting the commission on sales account, so commission on sales account will be credited. Click save button to save the salesman master. Next we'll discuss the item master details. If you have already created items, then you can go to item master modify mode, or if you want to create a new item, then you can go to item add option. Here we are modifying an existing item, LG 32-inch LED TV. We'll specify yes in the serial number wise detail button, and on clicking the save button, you can see an item serial numbering type and warranty details window is appearing. Here we'll select the numbering type as manual. In general, you'll receive the serial number of items from the manufacturer, then you have to only enter the serial number with each item at the time of purchase. So we are setting the numbering type to manual. If you need, you can select the numbering type as automatic also. Then is track purchase warranty, track sale warranty. We have enabled the track sale warranty option and have specified the sales warranty month as 12. That is by default we are offering 12 months warranty with the sale of the item. Click save button to save the item master. Now we will enter a purchase voucher by going to transactions, purchase, add option, specify series, date, voucher number, purchase type, select party, then select the item, specify the quantity. Now on pressing the enter key on the unit field, you can see an input serial number wise detail window is appearing. Here we'll specify the first item serial number, its MRP. You can see on the screen 2 lines for description are appearing, as we have enabled only 2 lines for description. If you want more, you can specify that in voucher configuration. Now we'll click the generate continuous number button to generate continuous serial number. We'll specify the starting serial number. Then we'll specify the number of serial number required. We have specified 40 as our item quantity is 40, item MRP, and then we'll click the OK button, and you can see on the screen serial number from 001 to 040 are filled in this grid. You can see each numeric part at the end is incremented by 1. Now we'll specify the bill sender related details and click save button to save the voucher. On saving the voucher, a salesman details window is appearing. We are leaving this window as blank, as we'll fill the salesman detail in the sales voucher. Next we will be entering a sales voucher by going to transaction, sales, add option. You can see on the screen this is a POS voucher, that is we have enabled the POS feature for this particular series. If you want to make any changes in the POS configuration, then you can click the voucher detail button at the bottom and click the POS configuration option. You can see on the screen default POS configuration is appearing. You can make the changes accordingly, like you can set any field to fixed, variable or semi-variable as per your requirement. For more details on POS configuration, you can watch our video for POS data entry uploaded on YouTube. Now we will specify the salesman. The salesman master we have just created, party, material center, and then we'll select the item. We'll specify the quantity. Here we are specifying the quantity as 1. On pressing the enter key on the unit field, adjust item serial numbers window is appearing. Here we'll select the serial number against which we are making the sale, that is the serial number of the item which is being sold. Then you can specify the discount if any. At the bottom you can see discount bill sundry is also provided. You can specify discount and bill sundry also. Click save button to save the voucher. On saving the voucher, an amount settlement details window will appear in which you can specify the amount settlement details. Next, a commission details window will appear in which you will specify the commission mode. Here we are specifying the commission mode as percentage. Commission per commission amount, it's calculated automatically, so you can see on the screen. So from here you can calculate the commission amount. Next, Busy is asking for printing of invoice. Click yes button. We are here printing the invoice in standard format, and you can see complete voucher details are appearing in this invoice. Now we'll go to our reporting part. We'll go to display, and first of all we'll have a look at the commission calculation report. Here we are viewing the report for Ram Arora salesman. You can see on the screen all the commission related details for this salesman is appearing on the screen. Next, you can view the complete stock status details, inventory books reports, inventory summary reports, and then is serial number wise reports. Using serial number wise reports, you can view details of complete serial number stock, serial number history. Here we are viewing item serial number history report. Select item, specify the serial number whose details you want to view, and on the screen you can see the complete history of that particular serial number, that is the purchase in which it is used, the sale in which this particular serial number is used. So you can view the complete serial number wise details from this report. So this is the implementation of Busy for retail electronics business. Hope after going through this presentation you would be able to easily use and implement all the features offered by Busy for retail electronics. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.